Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word clench. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She could feel her fists clench with frustration as she listened to his excuses. Clench means to tightly grip or squeeze something, usually in a reaction to strong emotions like anger, frustration, or determination. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.